In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Memory Saver in Google Chrome. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with your computer's performance while using Google Chrome, it might be because Chrome is known for consuming a significant amount of memory. Fortunately, enabling the Memory Saver feature can help optimize your browser's performance and improve your overall experience. Let's dive in and see how you can easily enable this feature in just a few quick steps. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You should be familiar with this process as it's the main window you use to explore the internet. Once you have Chrome open, direct your attention to the three dots located in the upper right corner of the browser window. These dots are your gateway to the browser's menu where you can find numerous settings and options. Click on them and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will open a new tab dedicated to all the settings you can adjust in Chrome. Now that you're in the Settings tab, scroll down to find the Performance section. This section houses various tools and settings aimed at enhancing how efficiently Chrome runs on your computer. Within this section, you're looking for a setting labeled Memory Saver. This option is specifically designed to manage Chrome's memory usage more effectively. The next step is to toggle Memory Saver on. You should see a switch next to this setting. If the switch is grayed out, it's currently disabled. Click on it to enable the memory saving function. Once toggled on, the switch should change color to indicate that the feature is now active. What this does is it automatically suspends inactive tabs to free up memory, which can significantly boost performance when handling multiple tasks or tabs. Now, one thing you might notice is a slight delay when you return to a tab that's been suspended. This is perfectly normal, as Chrome reloads the tab to bring it back to life. However, this small delay can come with big benefits like faster performance for tabs you're actively using. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled Memory Saver, and Chrome should operate much more smoothly, especially on devices that tend to slow down under heavy use. If you want to turn the feature off in the future, simply follow the same steps and toggle the Memory Saver switch off. Remember, this setting is all about finding a balance that works best for you and your browsing habits. Chrome is packed with features that can significantly enhance your browsing experience, and it's simply a matter of taking the time to explore and customize them to your needs. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a faster, more optimized browsing experience with Google Chrome.